My name is Chu Sean. This is week 4 Sleuthing Journal project on Atwater, California in Merced County. Atwater is a very small town located in the Central Valley of California. It has a population in 2017 to be about 29,397. There's been a positive increase of population since the year 2000 of about 27%, with about equal amounts of males and females. As you can see in the picture from Matt Rogers, Atwater is a very small town with a country feel. Healthcare access in Atwater includes many community clinics. There is no major hospitals located in Atwater, but in the neighboring county of Merced, there is a larger hospital. In Atwater, there are a few clinics, such as Castle Family Health Centers. They have a few locations of the Bloss Clinic. They actually have a mobile unit that goes out to elementary schools to provide services. They also have 2 different sites that they deliver medical services at. They serve a large population of Medi-Cal patients in the Atwater and Merced County patients, and they offer some specialty clinics. Golden Valley Health Centers, although not in Atwater, is located in Merced, but also serves many of Atwater's patients also. Merced Faculty Associate at Castle also help with serving the patients in Atwater, and as well as that, the Atwater Medical Group and the VA Castle Medical Clinic. There is a local public health service in Merced County. It is not located in Atwater, although members in Atwater can be treated at the public health services in Merced County. A few of the community goals for Atwater is to evaluate for the most important health conditions that they believe is heart disease and stroke. And second to that is diabetes through education and health reform. The most important health issue that they like to discuss is income, education, and employment. That was the highest ranked issue that the community would like Atwater officials to address. And second to that is access to care. I was not able to find much information regarding vaccination rates of adults, but vaccination rates of elementary schools was found on ED's source. The McSwain Elementary School area have a rate of 95.8%, and it seems like the other schools, such as Bellevue, Mitchell, and Schaefer, have over 97 to 98%, which is great. Disaster planning in Atwater was high on the priority list for fire safety and flooding. Because the Central Valley can be a dry area, fire safety is always of importance, and also the Central Valley being an area where it can be easily flooded, the Atwater community has taken initiative to also teach about that and provide available services. For example, in 2008, the fire safety in Atwater partnered up with the state of California, CAL FIRE, also establishing teaching about smoke alarms, also teaching about emergency preparedness, which includes education on testing smoke alarms, eliminating dried trees or brush around the homes, educating about when there is a fire, what to do, contacting 911 or CAL FIRE. Also flooding, there is a actual number on the website discussing about which areas are areas of concern and what numbers to contact in case there is. Sandbags are also available in the Atwater Morris Automotive services that can be given to the public if there is a need, if there's a flood. In 2017, there was a pretty large initiative for campaigns for change in Merced County, which includes Atwater. It includes providing access of care to patients and really focusing on preventable diseases with diet and physical activity, as chronic lung disease is the fourth leading cause of death in the county, and diabetes being the seventh leading cause of death in the county. There's a huge substance abuse initiative because with that involves a lot of homelessness that occurs. There is a picture there from an article by Granda regarding the horrible living conditions of homeless people, and then the cleanup that had to happen and cost millions of dollars. So Merced County is really focusing on trying to make education of health products such as better diet, looking into grocery stores versus fast food restaurants, which is great. It's actually started in 2016, where the Merced County CX3 initiative started for nutritional issues, addressing the overweight and obese population. About 66% of adults in Merced County is either categorized in the overweight or obese category, as well as 40% of children. And so with that, they have implemented walking activities or programs around the community, as well as providing supplemental nutritional assistance programs education, which is SNAP-Ed, to allow for people in the community to have food stamps to be able to buy necessary groceries, healthier groceries to eat. Atwater includes a lot of community engagement projects, such as for the youth and for adults. So the youth has many kinds of activities such as indoor soccer, summer drop-off programs, flag football, volleyball, and basketball, as well as the adult, including co-ed volleyball activities, and adult softball for spring, summer, and fall, as well as tennis courts year-round. This is the references for the project. Thank you so much for listening.